You're standing in the yard, looking at two big metal boxes, trying to figure out if you're buying a long-term solution or a future headache. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. Before I was crawling through your attics and troubleshooting your compressors, I was an electrician in nuclear power. I've spent 17 years in this industry, from a 4-year apprenticeship to 8 years in the field, and I'm here to give you the straight talk you won't get from a sales brochure. Today, we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between the Ruud RA14AY and the WeatherMaker PA4SAN5. Both of these are ducted split AC systems in the basic single-stage category. Since we're looking at ducted units, we have to talk about protection. The Ruud RA14AY comes standard with a louvered steel coil guard. In the field, that's superior armor. It protects those sensitive aluminum fins from hail, weed whackers, and stray rocks. The WeatherMaker PA4SAN5, however, does not have a louvered coil. It uses a wire mesh or slotted design, which leaves your coil vulnerable. One bad summer storm or a careless landscaper, and you're looking at a very expensive service call. Both of these units are sitting at a 14.3 SEER 2 rating. Neither one comes with a compressor blanket, which means they're going to be a bit noisier when they kick on. From my electrician's background, I can tell you that single stage technology is the simplest setup you can get. These compressors are either 100% on or 100% off. You aren't getting the precise comfort of an inverter, but you are getting a system with fewer complex circuit boards to fail. For a basic setup, they'll do the job, but they won't be the quietest things on the block. When we look at the paperwork, both brands offer a standard 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. However, neither model includes a no-hassle unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails in year 8, they'll give you the part, but you're still paying the HVAC tax for the labor and the refrigerant to get it swapped out. We have a clear winner here, the Ruud RA14AY. While the efficiency and the warranties are a dead heat, the Ruud wins on build quality. That louvered coil protection is the kind of field-tested durability I want to see for my customers. The WeatherMaker is a decent basic unit, but leaving those coils exposed is a risk you don't need to take. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC Faux Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.